Hi, my name is Muni, Year 1 Creative Computing, Group 2, and today I am presenting my vending machine. So we'll start off with the class. Class is the vending machine and self item, and we have here self item A1, A2, all the codes for the items and the names available over here, and the pricing with stock availability. And then we have to define the vending machine class to encapsulate vending machine functionality, and initialize the vending machine with a dictionary of items, prices and stock level, and each item is represented as a dictionary with name, price and stock attributes. And we allow the user to exit the vending machine and return the change. So here is the display item, available items, and this is the code for the items in stock. And we initialize the user balance to 0. Method to display all the available items, int he vending machine, int the vending machine, loop through items and print their code name and price stock. Prompt the user to enter the item code for selection. Then here we'll enter the code, enter the money, then self balance, then it will show the amount, then it will show the current balance which we have inserted, and the method to handle the intersection of money into the vending machine. It will update the current balance with the amount inserted by the user, and then it will allow the user to select an item by its code, and it will validate that the input for money is a positive numeric value. So now we have to select the item, then we have to put the code for the item, then the price will show, and then it will dispense and return the remaining balance. Then it will print the insufficient balance, please enter more money if you have entered less money and you want a higher price item. Then if you entered the item which is out of stock, it will read as sorry, the item is out of stock, and it will invalid selection, please choose a valid code if you enter a wrong code for the item. And then it will, after dispensing the item, it will return the change which is left behind. And if you have entered the amount, same amount as the price of the item, then it will show no balance return. Then it will check the selection item if it is in the stock before proceeding. Then it will ensure the user has enough balance to purchase the selected item. Then it will dispense the item and update the stock and balance accordingly. Then it will ask the user for the amount of the money they wish to insert. After that, it will inform the user if the balance is insufficient for the selected item. It will also notify the user if the selected item is out of stock or available. Prompt the user to choose action, insert money, select item or exit. Then consider adding features like a refund option or a loyalty program in the future. Machine displays item, then you have to take the action. If you want to insert the money, add the money, select the item, and or else you want to exit. After that, the method to return any remaining balance the user upon exit. Then it will check if the balance is to return the customer. Main function to run the vending machine program, it's the main function. And then it will loop to handle user interaction with the vending machine. Then this is the float. To a float input, enter the amount, then please insert the positive amount. Then you have to then it will show if the print is invalid, and it will guide you, it will tell you to enter the numeric value. Then you have to enter the code. After that, select the item which you want, enter the code like A2, A1, A3, A4, B2, B1, B3, like that. Then after that, selecting and putting the money, then dispense. If you don't want anything, you can let's just go and exit to the vending machine, or just select the item, it will dispense and it will return you the change. That then it will show you a message of thank you for using the vending machine. Then it will inform the user if they enter a valid. It will also inform the user to enter if they have entered a invalid action. It will show the user their current balance while entering the after entering the money, and print, and it will print that that the item selected it is dispensed. Now we'll run the code and we'll check if it's working. So here we have to first type insert to add money, insert, enter. Then we have to insert the amount. I'll go for like $5, enter. Then we have to choose an item. So we'll now we'll type select to choose an item, enter. Now we'll add the code like A5, enter. So here is the it has dispensed the sneakers and the remaining balance is 3.75. Now all the transaction is done. Now we'll exit so it can return our change and it can say thank you message. So now it's returning the change of $3.75, and now it's giving a message thank you for using the vending machine. And that was my code for the vending machine, and thank you so much for watching this video.